VMware emulator and virtual machine generator software that allows users to create and use virtual machines directly on a laptop or PC. In addition to installing several different operating systems, you can also easily convert virtual machines at the same time. You just need to install those operating systems on the virtual machine of the computer you are using. Advantages and disadvantages of VMware. The advantage: can run on any standard x86 hardware. The VMware software will help you install the new operating system while still using the old one. Installation is like an application, quick and easy. Create a virtual machine quickly. The weaknesses: VMware software will take up a portion of your computer's resources, so your computer configuration needs to be strong. No high confidentiality. Requires a computer configuration that can install VMware software. The RAM should be a little high, at least 4 GB, because when creating a virtual machine, the virtual machine will run and consume memory resources. The hard drive must have a large capacity of about 240 GB or more. When you create a virtual machine, it will take up the same amount of hard drive space as when you install an operating system on a computer. Here is how to download and install VMware software. First, you open the web browser. After typing the word VMware 17 into the scroll box and then pressing enter to search, will appear on the website you click on. Select the page vmwares.com and download VMware Workstation. On the home page of VMware, if you drag down, you will see the download item. It has a version for the operating systems Windows and Linux. When you install the running system, you choose the download of that operational system. I have Windows, so I'll go to the download page now for Windows. When you download, the download time is fast or slow depending on your internet speed, and after the download is completed, it will be saved in the Downloads folder of the computer. To install, double-click on the file. If you choose Yes to the notification, the software will proceed to set up and install. At this delivery, you choose Next. The terms of the software, you choose I accept, then choose Next. Next, the installation path sets you to the default, and then you select Next. Continue to choose Next. Now if you want to create a shortcut on the screen, so that by default you do not want to make shortcuts on the display, then you uncheck the option in the box on the setup window, and then you choose Next. Finally, you choose Install to install, you wait for the software to be installed, and you choose Finish to finish. After the installation, the first time you open it, the software will require you to enter the product code to use it if you have it, and if you do not have it, you can use it for free for 30 days while you activate it later. You select Try VMware Workstation 17 for 30 days and then select Continue to enter the software. Finish is the completion of the VMware installation process. In the software, there will be file items to create new virtual, open, or exit. The edit item is editing, and the view item is editing the display size of the software, while the item, VM, are the settings set on the virtual machine. The tab item displays the tabs in the program. On it is a guide for you to know how to download and install the basic software for VMware Workstation, the configuration of the computer that can be installed, as well as how to install VMware Workstation. If you see or like it, share it and subscribe to the channel to see other videos. Say hello and meet again.